Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I am going to share with you a step-by-step tutorial of this beautiful Bengali bridal look using all MAC Cosmetics product. There are like 2 or 3 products from different brands, but mostly it is MAC Cosmetics. And from today I am starting Brides of India series here on my channel, inspired by none other than Shreya Jain. And in this series I will feature one bridal look from different parts of India every single week. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. As always, I am starting with my brows first. For that I am taking this brow code brow pomade in the shade deep brown, and I am drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hand-like strokes. If you want to know my eyebrow routine, I will mention the video in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. Now I am taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC35, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I am doing a bridal makeup, this step is must for me. It just gives my eyebrows a little more structure and it looks absolutely perfect. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelid to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. I have the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in the shade Soft Ochre, but I totally forgot to use that. To set the concealer in place, I am taking my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC40. I am using this eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon. You can use any regular sticky tape that you have in your collection. For my eyes, first I am taking this beautiful burnt orange shade from my Flame-boyant palette, Art Liberty Flame-boyant palette, and with my Sigma E40 brush, I am applying it as my transition color, and I am using back and forth motion as well as circular motion, and I am slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. This particular shadow is very pigmented, so you need to be careful, otherwise it might become patchy. Now I am taking this burgundy red shade from the palette and I am applying it on my outer V area, on my inner corner, and then I will be connecting those 2 corners through my crease. Though on the pan it looks a little bit red, but when you start to apply it, it is actually a little bit darker. So it becomes kind of a burgundy shade. And the brush that I am using here, it is from Morphe. This is the Morphe JS13 brush. Now I am taking this darker, deeper kind of brown shade from the palette. Again, it's looking kind of red toned shade in the pan, but when you start to apply it, it is kind of a darker brown shade, and I am repeating the previous shade here. That means I am applying it on my outer V area, on my inner corner, and then I am connecting those 2 corners through my crease. Now it's time to cut the crease. For that I am using this lip brush from Pune store and the concealer that I used previously, and I am just placing the concealer a little bit higher because I have hooded eyes. If you do not have hooded eyes, then you can place the concealer directly onto your crease, or if you are a beginner, if you want to skip this step, then definitely go ahead and use the lid shades. That would give it just a perfect like smoky look. Now I'm just blending out the edges so that blending becomes easier later on. Taking that burgundy red shade, I am applying it on the border of the concealer so that there is a smooth gradient effect. Now I am taking this loose pigment in the shade Rose, and I am making brush wet using this MAC Fix Plus to apply the shadow, and I am applying it right here on the middle part of my eye. The brush that I am using is from Morphe. This is the Morphe M124 brush. Then I am taking this shimmery red shade, like orangish red shade from the palette, and I'm applying it on the border because for Bengali bridal look we usually wear like red Banarasi sarees, and for that a little bit of red on the eye, it just looks absolutely perfect. Now I am taking this champagne shade from this MAC palette. This is a limited edition palette, and I am popping it right here on the middle part of my eye just to brighten it up further. Since I do not have any eyeliner from MAC, I am using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Blackest Black, and I am drawing a wing here with my Morphe M2500 brush. Before continuing with my eye makeup further, I am going to finish my base, and for that I am taking this MAC Prep+Prime primer. And this is a beautiful primer, you guys. It is a silicone based primer. It just makes your skin looks so smooth, and your foundation just glides on beautifully on top of it, and your foundation lasts all day long. It also fills in all your pores, and it makes your skin looks kind of blurry. Since it's a bridal makeup, color correcting is must. I do not have any color corrector from MAC Cosmetics. I tried to use their color correcting palette. That did not work out for me, so I ended up returning it. And for my color corrector, I am using my L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Orange and Yellow correctors, and I am applying it wherever I have pigmentations and dark spots. For my foundation today, I am using my MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC40. I am originally NC35 in MAC Studio Fix, but I am very tanned right now, so I just decided to use the shade NC40, and I am buffing it in using the same damp sponge. This foundation is a perfect foundation for bridal makeup. It gives you a matte finish, it's full coverage, it lasts all day long, and the most important thing is it looks absolutely stunning in photography. Look how flawless it's looking. Now I am using a very interesting product. This is the MAC Tech foundation. This is basically a cream to powder foundation, and this is in the shade NW46, and I am using it as my cream contour. Since it is a cream to powder formula, it works perfectly well as my cream contour, and this formula reminds me a lot of Huda Beauty Tantour. And since it is a foundation, it lasts all day long. It does not smudge or budge. It does not remove the product underneath, and I often use it as my cream contour. Definitely give it a try, and I am sure you are going to love it because the formula is super duper smooth. For contouring my nose, I am using this eyeshadow brush, and for bridal makeup I always suggest you to use cream contour and like cream blushes. For highlighting and concealing, I am using the same concealer, and I am applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, and on my mouth, on the center of my forehead, as well as down the bridge of my nose, and then I'm blending it out using the same damp sponge. This concealer is again my favorite. It gives you a full coverage, it lasts all day long, and it does not crease easily underneath my eyes. And when I was editing that video, I just realized I completely forgot to use my strobe cream. I intended to use it, but I totally forgot. Now I'm just setting my under eye area using the same powder, and for my cream blush I am using this Glow Play blush in the shade Groovy. Such a stunning coral shade, such a bright shade, and the formula is top notch. It is again a putty cream to powder formula, applies beautifully, it lasts all day long. Again, for bridal makeup, cream blush is must. And now I am just setting my entire makeup. To warm up my face, I am using my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. It is a baked bronzer, and the undertone is just perfection. It is a beautiful like warm toned bronzer, and it just brings back that warmth to the face, that life to the face. At the same time, it gives me structure. For my powder blush, I am using my MAC Melba, such a beautiful peachy pink shade, and the formula is so good. It is a matte blush, it lasts all day long. For my highlighter, I am mixing these two shades together from my Hyper Real Glow Get It Glowing palette, and I am hitting the high points of my face, also the apples of my face, my chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, on the center of my forehead, and I'm just setting everything in place using my MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightening my eyes using my Milani eyeliner pencil, and then taking that darker brown shade, I'm smudging out my entire lower lash line. Taking that burnt orange shade, I am smudging out the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. Now I'm just highlighting the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bones using the same highlighter palette. I am elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye and giving it a V shape so that my eyes look wider and bigger. Now I'm just curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. Honestly, I do not buy high-end mascaras anymore. And for my lashes, I'll be using this Gala lashes off camera. And for my lips, I lined my lips using my Essence Lip Liner Pencil in the shade I Am Shook At. And for my lipstick, I am using my favorite liquid lipstick, like matte liquid lipstick in the shade Dance With Me. This is such a beautiful raspberry red shade. The formula is super duper good. It lasts all day long and it is very, very comfortable. And that is pretty much it. And here is the final look. I truly loved how the entire look came together, especially my base. Oh my god, I was looking at the mirror and I was like, my base has never looked this flawless. The base is just perfection, and I do love the eye makeup as well. Please let me know what do you guys think about this look in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.